Hey guys, how are you doing? WhatsApp for iPad is finally happening, and in this episode, we are going to see the preview of how the user interface and overall the app looks and feels on the iPad. This is available through the test flight, the beta testing program that developers, app developers use to let volunteers participate and report any bugs that they found with their application. The beta will be almost, showing the sign it is full and you cannot join that much easily, but I leave a link to that in the first comment. So randomly check it on your iPad through Safari browser, and if there is any open slots available, you can join and test it on your iPad. Remember, it is a beta version, so possibly bugs might be there, so you need to report it to the WhatsApp. So that's the objective of participating any application beta program through the test flight application. So the important thing is, till date, we were accessing the WhatsApp through WhatsApp web.whatsapp.com on Safari or Chrome browser on our iPad. But very soon, WhatsApp is going to be officially available on your iPad. You can, download it from the App Store. And right now, when you search for WhatsApp, there are so many third-party applications that promises to let you use the WhatsApp feature on your iPad, but there are several limitations, and users are experiencing certain issues. So the official app looks like this. Last year, when WhatsApp announced the multi-device login feature, I was eagerly expecting that WhatsApp to announce the iPad version also. And the Meta company have taken a long time to finally bring WhatsApp for iPad. And here you can see that once you launched the application, after installing it through the test flight, it will show you the QR code, and you need to scan it from your iPhone. Similar to the web.whatsapp.com, it will start to perform the sync with your WhatsApp account, and you will also receive the notification prompt that you need to accept when you open it for the first time, so that you will receive the notifications on your iPad lock screen. At the same time, as it is a beta program, you have received an additional prompt that says whether any crash or any issues happens, automatically the log file will be sent to the WhatsApp server. So you need to accept that permission, and then you can proceed with the beta testing of WhatsApp for iPad. As you can see, the interface looks pretty much similar to the web WhatsApp. Once the WhatsApp for iPad is officially available, you will be able to make audio and video calls. And right now with the beta program, only the audio calls feature seems to be working. So all the messages that you have on your iPhone will be synchronized, and using the multi-device login feature, it will be working normally. When you navigate to WhatsApp settings, similar to the iPhone options, you will also see several settings that you can take control of how the chats should look like, the appearance, themes, the privacy settings, and to manage the storage and data that is stored on your iPad using the WhatsApp application. So you can configure all the permissions within this WhatsApp settings, just like the way you do on your iPhone. And this is just WhatsApp regular version. This is not WhatsApp business version. And I'm not sure how long it is going to take for Meta company to release WhatsApp for business for iPad. So right now we can see that WhatsApp for iPad, the regular version, is coming very soon, and it has all the necessary features for you to experience the WhatsApp on iPad. The very important thing is, if you're going for iPad cellular model, then you won't be able to use the cellular number, the SIM number on your WhatsApp for iPad version. So that is very important thing you need to know. It is just like the web WhatsApp version, the app which is available for Windows or Mac computers in the respective app stores. We are going to log in the WhatsApp account from our iPhone and use it on the iPad screen. So the SIM present on your iPad, the cellular model, will still be able to use only the internet connection and not possible to activate WhatsApp for that number. Once WhatsApp for iPad officially launched, I'll update it in our channel. So if you haven't subscribed yet, don't forget to subscribe for more useful iPhone, iPad and Mac related tips and tricks. And if you find this information useful, you know what to do. Thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful day.